Keep calm and carry on buying AI tech stocks as they deviate from their highs. Where the greater the deviation, then the greater the buying opportunity presented. Keep calm and carry on buying. Quantum AI tech stocks. So the S&P ended 2023 at 4,770, a raging bull market that has been missed by most, as 2023 proved to be another year where the consensus got it very badly wrong. Doom and gloom, a recession was seen as being a done deal, as it was for 2022. Then there was the debt ceiling nothing burger. QT? What QT? We had Stealth QE via reverse repo market and the banking crisis nothing burger. Plenty of reasons why not to invest, all the way down from the likes of Stanley Druckenmiller, he was bearish, through to the perma fools on the CNBC Cartoon Network, clown claimer, blogosFear, all convinced most to park their funds in T-bills and money market accounts paying 5% peanuts. In fact, it's even worse than that, as equity funds experienced a net outflow of about 250 billion during 2023. So not only did investors not invest, they actually sold stocks during the year, parking 1.3 trillion into money market funds alone. I strongly suspect that most of this money is institutions rather than retail, because they do tend to be the scared money, the fund managers terrified of making mistakes and losing money. Thus, I think it will take some time for this scared money to flow into stocks, as the psychology of fund managers is not the same as that of individual investors who seek to maximize profits, whilst fund managers seek to minimize risk so that they keep their jobs. Thus, contrary to expectations that institutional money will flood into stocks when the Fed starts to cut rates during 2024. Not going to happen, they're too scared. This chart further illustrates the lay of the investing land. Despite having had a huge bull run, most investors are positioned in cash, as if they are sat at a bear market bottom. The disconnect is incredible. The chart title, i.e. instead of the source of the bull market of 2024, would be more accurate as where the scared money is sat during 2024. Implications for the stock market is that 2024 and 2025 should be bullish years, as the scared money gradually flows into stocks. So understand this: those who invested to any significant degree in the stock market during 2023 went against the herd, and thus have experienced extraordinary returns that one could only have dreamt of at the start of 2023, let alone 15 months ago when I completed my last full spectrum in-depth analysis of the stock market and resulting trend forecast. It's at times such as this that folks need to pause for a moment and guard against complacency by making the mistake of chasing the dragon. For instance, feeling FOMO and thinking one should pile into no earnings turd stocks, which are a gamble. Yes, many no earnings stocks will have a bull runs during 2024, but you're only really going to know which in hindsight. S&P up over 24% 2023. We do not experience the likes of 2023 often, i.e. the primary and secondary AI tech stocks collectively soared by a staggering 80%. That is staggering. That is abnormal and a function of what happens during the first full calendar year of bull markets. That followed a bear market that ended October 2022. So whilst most are focused on the S&P and its feeble 24% gain, still waiting for the S&P to put in that all-time high, the reality is the S&P is a nothing burger, as the AI tech stocks collective portfolio, including the good, the bad and the ugly, has passed its last bull market high a while ago. Nevertheless, the focus of this analysis is to once more resolve in a detailed stock market trend forecast for the S&P, utilizing last year's analysis as a template of sorts to build upon, as well as laying the groundwork to capitalize on AI tech stocks on their exponential trend trajectory as I mapped out 4 years ago, mid-2020. This video is just a mere fragment of my extensive analysis that concludes in a detailed stock market trend forecast for the S&P for the whole of 2024 that aims to replicate my forecast accuracy of past years. That's 2023, 2022, 2021 and 2020 and 2019 and earlier still, all the way back to probably 2007. All of which was first made available to patrons who support my work for just $5 per month, which is nothing compared to what you're getting access to. Lock it in now for $5 per month because it soon rises to $7 per month for new subscribers. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends, you wake up in your bed and believe in Google. You take the red pill, you stay with Market Oracle, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. To ensure you ride the AI megatrend gravy train into the future and the crypto gravy train during 2024, then you consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $5 per month, which is nothing for what you're getting access to, and it's due to soon rise to $7 per month for new sign-ups. Access to my latest mega analysis, a comprehensive 3-part guide on how to really get rich during 2024 that has exclusively been made available to patrons right now. You can go and read the 3 guides right now, full access, which is a truly epic piece of work that took me the whole of 2023 to write. It condenses down my lifetime knowledge and experience down to some 60 chapters, which is on top of my ongoing analysis and trend forecasts that are made available to patrons for just $5 per month. There are no bolt-on extras, no courses, no other crap that all these con merchants do. You get full access to everything for just $5 per month. Lock it in now because it will soon be rising to $7 per month for new sign-ups. So, did you buy the October 22 bloodbath? Especially in tech stocks, FANGs, with the likes of Meta plunging below $100? Well, I and my patrons did. Go read my articles and the comments posted under them. We got well blooded by catching all those falling knives. Or did you make the mistake of listening to the likes of Clown Kramer on the Cartoon Network, who stated Meta, amongst others, was finished? Meta finished at $100 a share. It was the mother of all buying opportunities. This clown stated it was finished. Says it all about Clown Kramer and the Cartoon Network.
They're finished. They're finished as places.
They're finished. They're finished as
places to invest.
We keep talking about this falling knife as if the knife continues to fall. Though there are people who look at this and say,
look, I'm looking at the money coming out. Where's the money coming from to buy to buy industrials? It certainly isn't coming from new people saying, "Wow, it's time to put money in the stock market," because they get such a great rate on the 2-year. I think it's money coming rotating out of companies that have dominated this market for the last decade and into companies like Caterpillar who actually know what the hell they're doing.
Are you thinking that the tech companies that I think that you're disappointed in are going to get religion, if you will, and get disciplined? And what does discipline look like?
You know what they are? I would call them atheists. They believe in nothing.
That's a nihilist.
Meta? I don't know. I think they have to change the name again. They really do. I mean, you can't be saying Meta. I don't know. How about loser? How about Stuputa? I don't know. Anything doesn't even matter. I don't know if they can make a comeback. The facts have changed, and I have to change with it. I believed. I thought I'd be safe. I was wrong. Bottom line, forget being leaders. Big stocks are now followers in a post-COVID era, where we're learning that their earnings were far more inflated by the pandemic than we knew. We're just now discovering that tech emperors have no clothes, if they're even emperors at all.
$5 per month is nothing for what you get access to. So at least give it a try. Read the comments, see the depth of analysis. You won't be sorry because I do my best by my patrons. Go that extra mile. Gaining access to over 35 years experience. Right from before the 1987 crash straight through to this stock's bear market. That we ride the quantum AI megatrend into the future.